welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is going to be about my everyday makeup. And what that means is it is what I throw on my face every day, no matter what I'm doing. And today it just so happened I need to run out to, get a little things. It is New Year's Eve, so I had to get some black eyed peas, some greens, cornbread, just all the fixings that I need for tomorrow. Do not use that many products when I just throw on anything. I don't wear any eyeshadow. I don't wear any lashes. I just throw on some foundation, some blush, some highlight, some mascara, and I always try to do a bold lip because since my face is so plain, I just want the lip to be bold. And this color is Gerard Cosmetics in Gravity, and that will be in my December favorites. So that's a spoiler. Not only is this my everyday makeup look, I also attempted to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. It was so fun in a way. But anyway, if you want to see if I did it in 5 minutes or not, please continue to watch. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment. This is my everyday makeup look, but as you can see, I did attempt to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. There it is, me pushing the timer on my iPad. And here we go. So just keep watching to see if I did it or not. First thing, I do the same old thing. My face was already washed and moisturized, and I put my spray on and so forth. So I'm just doing my foundation right now, and right now I'm just using my everyday easy, I call this the easy foundation. It's a cream foundation, full coverage foundation from MAC, and I love it so much because it's so easy. Just slap it on, blend it out, and there you go. All right, I am continuing to just blend that out. Not sure why I'm shaking my head there. I don't remember. Anywho, yeah, just blending it out, and then I'm taking my makeup sponge just to blend out those lines, as I always do, just to make sure it's seamless. Can't forget those eyes because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow. I usually never wear eyeshadow when I'm doing just my everyday makeup look. Foundation, eyebrows, blush, highlight, and some lipstick. That's basically all I wear for my everyday. And also got my hair ready to go in my favorite everyday type hairstyle. Just bun and keep it moving. And so right here, again, I'm just continuing to blend out with my beauty sponge, trying to make sure everything is all right. All right, I'm just setting my face right now with some powder, some Laura Mercier powder to be exact. Just trying to get that thing set so that I can move on to the next step. Now, I don't really show products while I'm doing the 5-minute makeup challenge because you don't really have time. You're on that time limit, so you just go to product after product after product. All right, and then after I set my face with the powder, I move into concealer, which right there I am using the LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm using the orange and corrector right under my eye. Since I'm not wearing hardly no makeup, I try to conceal under my eyes and things to cover up those dark circles and make my eyes not look so baggy, you know what I'm saying? So I'm adding some corrector, and then on top of that, I'll add my concealer. and just blending that out with my fingers. And now the buzzer went off for the 5 minutes. Do you see that? That was an epic freaking fail. I did not meet the 5 minute challenge. In actuality, it took me about 15 minutes, which it normally does. But I thought that because I was on a time limit, I could try to get that thing done. But I did forget that I was doing a challenge, a little bit of it, because I was taking too much time blending out. I shouldn't have did that. But best believe in the future, I will be doing that 5 minute makeup challenge again. Next time I just got to have all my products and brushes and make sure I don't use as many products to do it, so that I can meet that challenge and not be so particular like I am. I overblend always, like eyeshadow, foundation, everything. I always overblend, and that is going to be my biggest problem. All right, I set my under eye with some powder also, just a regular setting powder. I did not use my normal under eye setting powder. I used the same face powder, which was that Laura Mercier. All right, and now I am using the Lorac Duo primer and mascara, and I really love this stuff. Although I just got it last month in my Boxy Luxe, I really like it because the blue side is a primer. You put that on your natural lashes, let it sit for a few to dry, and then when you put the mascara on, it really lengthens and separates your lashes, so it kind of makes you look like you have on falsies. It's just not as thick. It just depends on your own natural lashes, which I do have lashes, but you know, every girl wants to have, you know, flutter lashes, you know, all flirty and stuff. But anyway, yeah, so I'm also doing the bottom lashes also. So I'll put the blue down there and then just let it set, and then I will be applying the mascara. All right, so I am applying my mascara, and those lashes are looking awfully lovely, nice and lengthened and separated, looking all cute and stuff. All right, and once I finish putting on this mascara, my next step will be to move on to the blush. All right, I'm applying my blush, which I use the Tarte blush in Natural Beauty, which if you have watched my previous videos, you know that is my absolute all-time favorite, and I do need to get another because I have hit pan. But I still got enough to do quite a few looks left with it. But anyway, now I am using my Ofra highlighter. To give my face a little bit of a glow because I do like a glow. And yeah, so there you have it. Blending that highlight out a little bit. Was a little bit too blinding. All right, and now I am going in and doing those eyebrows, which I do not do a lot. I don't even use my eyebrow pencil or my favorite eyebrow powder. I'm actually using this, which is a drugstore product. Yes, it is drugstore. It is the Maybelline Tattoo eyebrow. I'm not sure of the exact name, but it's a Maybelline Tattoo eyebrow gel. I believe that's what it is. And I'm just running that through my brow hairs. This is actually a brow, you can shape your eyebrows with it as well as set them. So it's like a 2-in-1. It's very dark, so you have to be careful, and it is heavy. But it looks good if you know how to use it and if you apply it properly, because it can go left real fast, man, real fast. Because you see right there, I am having a little bit of an issue because, again, that side of my face, the arch is not as visible. So I usually always have issues. But anyway, so yeah, that's how the product looks. You just keep doing it and building it up and building it up. And then I take my concealer crayon and I clean that up, and that's it. But see, that's the fastest eyebrows you're ever going to have. Just take that Maybelline Tattoo eye and run it through your hairs. If you got enough hairs, just run that thing right through there and shape it up to look like some eyebrows and keep it moving. All right, and after you put the brow gel on, of course, you have to brush through those hairs with a spoolie to try to blend it in with your natural lashes. Just blend, blend, blend. And then I went in with my concealer crayon, and I blended that out, and now I am using my spoolie again just to try to get the shape just a little bit better, so it can look more presentable, and it looks about right to, yeah, looks just about right to me. So yeah, just keep blending until that shape comes together like you like. All right, and it is the second to the last step. Basically, for me, though, it's the last step in the makeup routine, and that is to set your face with some setting spray so that your makeup will last all day, and it does not move, and your face don't run, and all that type stuff. Setting spray is very, very, very important. Your face will last all day. It will not budge. And so, yeah, that's why I always use my Skindinavia and whatever else I want to use at the time. But anyway, so that's the last step to me. But, you can't, or, I can't leave the house without something on my lips. So the final step is to apply your lipstick, lip gloss, or what have you. But for me, when I'm doing a no makeup look, or which is also called my everyday makeup, I tend to go with a very bold lip since my face is so plain. Like today I chose Gerard Cosmetics in Gravity. It's like a dark purpley gray brownie type thing, but I love that color. I wear it a lot, and a lot of times also with my everyday lookup I will wear a dark red. I do have a black that you may see before the winter's over, and a blue that I may wear. It just depends on how I'm feeling and where I am going for my everyday look. All right, well, that is the end of it, and I really, really appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Simple Life. Like the video, and then comment if you have any questions, or if you want to leave a suggestion, or even if you want to criticize. Do whatever you like. Thank you, and pictures are to follow. Have a good night. Bye.